Welcome to Auto Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest bike updates and in-depth insights. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Suzuki DR650S, a dual-sport motorcycle that continues to prove its reliability, ruggedness, and off-road capability even after decades on the market. Classic design with modern touches. The 2025 DR650S retains its familiar, no-nonsense design that riders love. The minimalistic bodywork, high-mounted fender, and durable frame highlight its adventure-ready character. For 2025, Suzuki offers new graphics and a refreshed color scheme, giving this classic machine a slightly modern edge while keeping its old-school charm intact. Engine and performance. At the heart of the DR650S is a 644 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers smooth power both on and off the road. It's tuned for a strong mid-range and reliable performance, whether you're navigating city traffic or exploring rugged trails. The 5-speed gearbox remains precise and sturdy, complemented by Suzuki's proven oil cooling system for durability on long rides. Suspension and handling. Built to handle diverse terrains, the DR650S features a long-travel telescopic front fork and a link-type rear suspension with adjustable settings. This setup ensures stability and comfort, making it equally capable on highways and dirt tracks. The lightweight frame enhances maneuverability, while the 21-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels provide excellent grip and control. Comfort and practicality. Despite its adventure DNA, the DR650S doesn't compromise on comfort. The ergonomically designed seat and upright riding position make long rides enjoyable. A large 13-liter fuel tank offers solid range, while the simple analog gauges keep things functional and easy to read. Riders can also customize it with Suzuki's wide range of accessories for luggage, protection, and touring. Safety and braking. For braking, Suzuki equips the DR650S with a front disc and rear disc setup, offering reliable stopping power in all conditions. The bike's simplicity means fewer electronics, giving riders pure mechanical feedback and full control, something many adventure riders appreciate. Verdict. The 2025 Suzuki DR650S stays true to its legacy. A tough, versatile, and dependable dual-sport bike that's ready for anything. Whether you're commuting, exploring mountain trails, or touring long distances, the DR650S delivers confidence and reliability every time you ride. Auto Reviews, delivering trusted insights on every ride. Don't forget to subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and updates.